If you've ever been halfway through changing a tire and suddenly realized your tire spoon just bent, slipped, or started chewing up your rim like a can opener. Yeah, you already know how frustrating this gets. One stubborn tire turns into an hour-long fight, your tube gets pinched, your knuckles are wrecked, and suddenly that cheap toolkit deal doesn't feel like such a bargain anymore. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 tire spoon toolkits that are actually worth your money whether you're working on motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, trailers, lawn equipment, or just want something dependable for roadside repairs without the headache. I've spent years wrestling stubborn tires in garages, trails, parking lots, and honestly, the wrong tools make everything 10 times harder than it needs to be. We're counting down from number 5 to number 1, and by the end, you'll know exactly which kit fits your situation and which ones to skip if you hate wasting money. Real opinions here, not fluff. Also, check the description for updated prices and links, and if you've got a specific bike, ATV, mower, or tire problem, drop it in the comments. I read those, and I'll help you pick the right setup. And if honest automotive reviews are your thing, hit subscribe, you'll probably save yourself some frustration. Starting at number 5, we've got the NEIKO 20601A 14.5 steel tire spoons tool set, and for anybody trying to stay budget conscious without buying complete junk, this one actually punches above its price. The first thing you notice when you grab these is the steel feels solid enough to trust. Not professional shop level overkill, but definitely not that flimsy bargain bin stuff that flexes the second you hit a stubborn bead. At 14.5 inches, you're getting enough leverage to work through motorcycle tires, dirt bikes, lawn tractors, and smaller ATV jobs without feeling like you're fighting the tire with pure anger. The rounded spoon ends help reduce tube pinches, and the finish is decent enough that you're not immediately worried about scratching everything in sight. In real-world use, this kit surprised me more than I expected. If you're someone doing occasional tire changes in your garage, this gets the job done without making you regret buying cheap. I wouldn't call it heavy-duty professional gear, but for casual riders or homeowners changing mower or trailer tires, solid value. The one drawback is the finish can wear a little quicker than premium kits if you're rough on your tools. But honestly, for the price, that's pretty easy to forgive. And here's something most buyers mess up: short tire spoons. Seriously. People think shorter means easier storage until they're sweating through a tire swap, wondering why nothing's moving. At number 4, the Rpeconu 15 tire spoons kit fixes exactly that problem. That extra half-inch of leverage may not sound like much on paper, but trust me, when you're dealing with stiff sidewalls, it matters. The steel feels sturdy, the spoons have a nice shape that gets under stubborn beads without constantly slipping out, and most kits come with useful extras like valve tools, rim protectors, and storage options that actually make roadside work more manageable. It feels more complete than some cheaper kits that toss in accessories almost as an afterthought. Here's where this one really earns points. Difficult tires. I've used tools like this on ATV rubber and older motorcycle tires that basically felt glued to the rim. The leverage helps reduce effort, and that means less frustration and fewer mistakes. Because once you pinch a tube during reinstall, you're starting over. The only thing I'd say is the included carry pouch on some versions feels a little basic. Not terrible, just not something I'd trust getting tossed around every day in a truck bed. Now if you've been burned by low-quality Amazon knockoffs before, pay attention here because the next one feels noticeably more refined. Coming in at number 3 is the HTOMT 14.5 tire spoon kit, and this one feels like a sweet spot between affordability and confidence. The steel construction feels more reassuring than a lot of random budget sets, and the spoon curvature is surprisingly well designed for smoother tire removal. It's got enough length to give you leverage without feeling awkward, especially for motorcycle tires, dirt bikes, and smaller ATV setups. Plus, the included accessories usually feel thought out instead of filler. Rim protectors, valve core tools, it feels like somebody actually uses motorcycles when putting the kit together. After using tools like this for years, this is the kind of kit I recommend to beginners because it takes some frustration out of the learning curve. It's forgiving. The spoons feel predictable, and that matters when you're figuring out technique. In real-world garage use, it holds up well without jumping into overpriced territory. The drawback? If you're regularly dealing with really aggressive truck or oversized ATV tires, you may still want something beefier. For average DU work though, it's a really comfortable middle ground. Quick warning here: don't automatically assume heavier means better. Too much bulk can actually make smaller motorcycle jobs more annoying. That brings us to number 2, the Rotation 11.5-inch steel tire spoon lever iron tool kit, and this one's interesting because it takes the opposite approach. Shorter, more compact, easier to carry. At 11.5 inches, these aren't trying to overpower giant tires, they're built for control. If you've ever worked trailside on a dirt bike or dual sport and needed something portable, this starts making a lot of sense. The steel still feels durable, the spoon profile works well for tighter tire work, and portability becomes the big selling point here. In real-world situations, this is the kind of kit I'd toss into a motorcycle saddlebag or ATV storage compartment. For dirt riders or adventure riders, portability matters a lot. Nobody wants giant irons taking up all their gear space. That said, this shorter size means you'll need more elbow grease on stubborn beads. That's the honest trade-off. More control, less leverage. Still, for mobile repair situations, this one absolutely earns its spot. And now to number 1, because if you want the best overall mix of leverage, durability, practicality, and value, the Dr.Roc 14.5-inch perfect leverage tire spoon lever iron tool kit takes it. The first thing that stands out is balance. The steel feels sturdy without feeling ridiculously heavy. The 14.5-inch length gives you enough leverage to tackle stubborn tires without overworking yourself, and the spoon design feels smooth enough that you're not constantly stressing about damaging tubes or rims. It also usually comes with the accessories you actually want instead of random filler pieces, and the whole package feels built by somebody who understands tire work. This is what most buyers don't realize: good leverage saves time, frustration, and sometimes even damaged parts. In real-world use, the Dr.Roc kit feels dependable whether you're working on motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, lawn equipment, trailers, or emergency roadside fixes. It hits that rare middle ground where beginners won't struggle with it, but experienced mechanics still appreciate it. My only complaint? The case could be a little tougher for long-term storage. But the tools themselves? Very hard to complain about for the money. So if you want the quick breakdown, the NEIKO is your solid budget pick if you only change tires occasionally. The Rpeconu works great if you want more leverage and a fuller kit. The HTOMT is probably the easiest recommendation for beginners learning tire changes. The Rotation makes the most sense for motorcycles, dirt bikes, and portable roadside use. But for the best overall value and most well-rounded performance, the Dr.Roc takes the top spot. Because trust me, having the right tire spoon kit makes a bigger difference than people think. Better leverage, fewer scratch trims, less tube damage, and way less time fighting stubborn tires in your garage or on the side of the road. Check the links in the description for prices and deals, subscribe if you want honest automotive gear reviews without the nonsense, and drop a comment telling me what vehicle, bike, ATV, or tire you're working on. I'll help point you in the right direction.